Hello students, very good morning. Today we are going to start History, chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. So let us start. In the chapter, we will learn about with some topics like that big landlords or warriors, chiefs in different regions are called samantas or subordinates to the existing kings. As Samantas gained power and wealth, they declare themselves to be Mahasamantas, Mahamandaleshwar. It means a great lord of a circle and so on. Rajputas were subordinates to Chalukyas in the Deccan. In the mid 8th century, Danti Durga overthrew his Chalukya overlord and performed a ritual called Hiranya Garbha. It means this ritual was done by Brahmans for the rebirth of the sacrifice as Kshatriyas. Kadama, Mayur Sharanam and the Pratihara Hari Chandra, who were Brahmins, took to arms and successfully established their kingdoms in Karnataka and Rajasthan. The inscriptions of the Cholas in Tamil Nadu refers to more than 400 terms for different kind of taxes. Like most frequently mentioned tax is vati, taken not in cash but in the form of forced labor. They are pressurizing to the labor कि you have to be pay taxes. Next, Kadami. It means land revenue. They will collected the land revenue with the common peoples. There were taxes on thatching in the house, climbing on ladder to palm trees and access on succession to family property. It means for the sake of thatching in the houses, climbing on the ladder to palm and succession of the family property day by day, they will collecting the taxes. Rulers belonging to the Gujra, Pratihara, Rajputas and Pala densities fought for control over Kannauj tripartite struggle. It means tripartite struggle will happen between Gujra, Pratihara, Rajputas and the Pala densities. Sultan Muhammad of Ghazni of Afghanistan ruled from 1997 to get 1030 extended control over parts of Central Asia, Iran and northwestern of the subcontinent. Muhammad Ghazni belongs to Afghanistan. He raided the subcontinent almost every year and he targeted mostly wealthy temples like Somnath Temple of Gujarat. He wanted to become a richest person in the world. That was the main reason again and again he targeted the temple Somnath. He entrusted a scholar Ali Biruni to write an account of the subcontinent which is found in the book called Kitab al-Hind. In the book Kitab al-Hind, we are able to see so many things are written or written about the Mahmud of Ghazni. Next, Chamanas, known as Chauhans, ruled the region around Delhi and Ajmer. He was restricted in expansion by the Chalukyas of Gujarat and Gandhivalas of western UP. Best known Prithvi Raj III, who defeated Afghan ruler Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1191. Cholas were subordinates to the Pallavas king of Kanchipuram. Vijayala, chieftain from Udaipur, captured the delta region from Mutriyar chieftain. He built the town of Tanjavur and a temple for goddess Nashima Bashodhini. His successor grew the kingdom by capturing the Pandyas and the Pallavas territory. It means his all successor or the kingdom, day by day they started to capture Pandyas and Pallavas boundaries. Raja I, most powerful Chola ruler of 985, and his son Rajendra I even raided the Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka, and countries of Southeast Asia, developing a navy for his expedition. It means day by day, Raja I and Rajendra I, his son, they start to capturing or extended his territory. Big temples at Tanasvur and Gangoi Konda, Cholapuram were built by Raja and Rajendra. Chola bronze images were considered the finest in the all over the world. Settlements of peasants known as Ur became prosperous with the spread of irrigation agriculture. It means on that time peasants and every individual depend on the irrigation and agriculture. Group of such villages formed larger units called Nadu. Rich peasants of the Velal caste exercise considerable control over the affair of the Nadu. It means rich peasants of the Velal caste exercise a considerable control over all affair of the Nadu. Chola king gave some titles like Muvendavan, Arrear, and entrusted or faithful them the important offices of the state. The types of lands are Vellan Vegai, it means land of non-peasants proprietors. Brahmadya, land gifted to Brahmins as a tribute of love or in a ceremony. Shala Bhoga, land for the maintenance of a schools. Deva Dana, land gifted to temples. Pali Chandam, land donated to Jaina institution. In China, it was ruled by Tang dynasty. Did you know the capital of Tang dynasty was Xi'an? So, my dear students, I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any doubt, any query, you are most welcome to ask me in a live session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.